YouTubers, Matt Cochran here, and I have a great one for you. It's called Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. Starring, of course, Margot Robbie as she reprises her role from Suicide Squad as the Joker's sexy girlfriend, Harley Quinn. This time, though, she's alone as they newly have broken up. And she's dealing with it in a not so great fashion as only Harley Quinn can. So that leaves her raising hell around Gotham, and she doesn't take too long to realize that she has a lot of enemies, and without the Joker's protection, it's open season for everyone to hunt down Harley Quinn. She finds a reprieve when the richest man in the criminal underworld offers her a offer she can't refuse and needs her to get a valuable gemstone that was taken from him from a young by a young pickpocket girl. So she tracks her down, only to realize that the valuable gemstone is in her stomach, and she unexpectedly builds a bond with the young girl, and decides to save her from everyone that comes after her. She will form an unlikely team of women crusaders to do the job and take down the very man that hired her to get the gemstone back. This is a fantastic standalone movie featuring Harley Quinn, and I'm glad Margot Robbie reprised the role again, because I can't think of anybody else that could play this character as well as she can. And this is a very insane ride through the mind of Harley Quinn, and it sets the stage for a really fun, over-the-top madness of fun film. So I recommend it very highly. 5 out of 5. You can find it on the PlayStation Store or on DVD and Blu-ray by now, or on other streaming networks. So until my next review, watch those movies, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments you might have on my comment section. Bye.